Hello beautiful people, today I'm gonna give you my opinion about this HyperX Cloud Alpha headset after I've been using it for about 6 months. Okay, so the first thing that I really like about this headset is the build quality, and this thing over here is made from aluminum. Also the hinges are made from aluminum, and they feel really premium. Also the plastic that it's around the headset, it all feels really good and high quality. Also the headband, it's really cushy, and I really like that. The leather on top with the stitching, it's looking really great, and I didn't have, as you can see, any problems with it. And the downside, I think, about this design are those wires. They are not very aesthetic, but yeah, this is the only downside that I can see about, you know, the build quality and the design. Also, I want to talk about the ear pads. These are not the original HyperX ear pads. I switched them because I wanted to use some velour ear pads, and because my ears sweat a lot from the basic HyperX ear cushions. And yeah, I switched them with this one, and you can find an unboxing and review to the ear cushions on my YouTube channel. And this is the only thing that I didn't really like about this headset. I didn't really like the ear cushions. They are very comfortable, but as you can see, they are made from leather, and when you wear them for around, let's say, 2-3 hours or even more, your ears start to sweat a lot. They are very comfortable, and if you are searching for you know, HyperX reviews on YouTube or something like that, you are gonna find some people that complain about these ear pads, and that's because when the headset was released, they had a problem with the ear cushion, and they were really small, and they were also uncomfortable. A lot of people complained about it, but that was just for the release of the headset. And now every headset that they want to buy are the new refreshed earpads, but you know, for me, they are not that comfortable just because my ears sweat a lot. So yeah, that's one thing. So because this is a headset, I want to talk about the sound quality, and for shooters and for gaming, they are really great, and I really like them. For music, they are very good, and I like the bass. They are very bass oriented, and if you are listen to rap music or something like that, or bass your music in general, you are gonna love them. They also have a few holes over here. I don't know if you can see it, but those holes help the music to sound better. This is what I heard. So yeah, this headset sounds really great in music, but it really shines in games. If you are playing shooters or any kind of game, you are gonna hear all the steps and everything, and you are gonna have a competitive advantage, let's say. And yeah, I really like the sound aspect for this gaming headset. I also like that the cable is detachable, so you can just plug it in just like that, and if you are not, let's say, using them, or if you want to take them to travel or something like that, you can just unplug it, and that's a really neat feature. And because I just talked about the detachable cable, it's also braided, and you have some commands over here, and you can mute also yourself, as you can see. This is the only cable that I used, because I own a laptop, as you can see on the back, and I don't have 2 inputs. So yeah, this is the only cable that I used. I also used it for mobile. This is a question that a subscriber asked me, if they work with a mobile phone. So I tested that, and they work without any problem. So if you are using a PC, you can use the other cable. This is, I think, 3 meters or something like that. The other one, it's way shorter. With this one, you just connect the other cable, and you are gonna have 2 outputs with the headset and the mic. So yeah, if you want a longer cable, you can use this one, and it's also braided, also the same quality, and I really like that. Another thing that I want to talk about this headset is the microphone, and it's great that it's here, and you can use the mic and you can turn it around and stuff like that. But I wasn't impressed with the sound quality. It sounds okay, but it's not something that you are gonna be impressed. And let's say a Razer headset or something like that is gonna be way better. And yeah, I wasn't impressed about the microphone, but it's nice that it's here. This is all that I can say about the microphone quality. So the last thing that I want to talk about this headset is the price, and you can get them for around 90 bucks, and that's such a good price for this headset. But if you want to get a better deal, now I think on Amazon I found them for around 75 bucks, and that's the price that I got it in the first place. So for, let's say, 75 bucks, it's such a good deal. And even for 90 bucks, it's a good price, but 75 it's a must buy, I think. And when I first saw the price, I just jumped on it because I knew this is such a great headset, and it's worth every penny. And if you are using the headset a lot and your ears sweat a lot, and you know the summer is coming, so it's gonna be very hot and stuff like that, I would suggest to get the ear replacement cushions. I love this headset, and I like it like 10 times better after this upgrade. And I would suggest to anyone that gets an HyperX headset or any headset to try the velour ear cushions. So yeah, that's a quick upgrade that you can do. So this is the end of the video. I hope you will like it, and I hope you learned everything that you need to know about this headset. And that's all for today. Be well, be safe.